Today we're going to be looking at how you can create a private event on Partyra. Partyra is a social content application that allows you to discover fun and thrill events around your city. Partyra is available on our Play Store or App Store. You can also get Partyra by visiting www.partyra.com. Today we're going to be looking at how you can actually create private events on Partyra. What exactly are private events? Private events are events that you want to show exclusively to certain group of people. You do not want to make it public to the general public. You want to make it available for only select group of people, your friends, your kids and family, or uh, just some unique people you feel you want them to attend your events. And I'm going to show you how you can do this straight away. On the home page, you would find create events. So click the drop down. You'll see two types of event type. We have public event, we have private event. So for today, we're going to look at private event. So once you select private event, click on confirm, and then it takes you to the form page where you just going to fill up the form. So here, I fill my form up very quickly. So I'll just give my events a name. It's great. Okay, event organizers. So I just want to put my name. What is the description? I'm just going to copy this event category. So this is a this is a birthday. This is a birthday. Do you have promotional videos for this event? No. So if you have, you can always upload a video. It's very good to always upload a video. It helps boost reach and get your ticket to a lot of people. So in this case, do you have an image? So yes, I have an image for my event. So I'm just going to look for one of those image and upload it. So this is an image. I upload that image, so that's coming up, and boom, we have our image here. So next, you want to put the location. So this is happening in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, you may want to be specific and put the exact city. That's fine. Next, you want to put the start dates and end dates. So start dates, I would say, starting on the 3rd of September, and it ends on the 5th of September. Great. Next, you want to put your venue name. So here I put Ikeja City Mall. Time zone Africa, Lagos, recurring event. So what kind of event is this? Is this recurring or it's not? So this is not a recurring, it's a one-time event. So if you have a dress code, you want to put that. If you have wish list, you can add your wish list. If you have event lineup, these are things that would occur during your event. You may want to put that. So you have all these details, event settings, event tags, uh, you have the FAQs. So if you have FAQs, you can also add it. So once you're done, all you need to do is just to click on create event. And then you have successfully created your first private event. This event will be only available to only people you share your event. So you're also going to get a mail stating that you have created this event. So here I'm going to go to explore, and then if you want to look at the event you have just created, quickly navigate to the right hand panel section and go to event dashboard. You will see your event under your event dashboard. If I click below, you can see upcoming events. So this is the event I just created. This is the private event. So you can see it's been labeled what private. That is the label. So private, it is not available to the public. It's only available to people you have decided to share the event with. So this is the event you can, you can send invites. So if I want to send invites, I click on send invite, and then you can send invites to people, friends on Partyra. So these are different people on Partyra. I can invite them, or you can send an invite via mail. So for example, I want to send an invite to a friend. So I put justking5@gmail.com, and then you can just send invite straight away. It's that simple. Okay. So here I add this, and then you can keep adding more emails. And once you're done, just click on invite. So an invitation has been sent successfully. And if I check my email, I will see that that event has been sent to me. So let me check my mail very quickly just to show you, how efficient this thing is. Okay, so I just received my invitation to the email I put. So very good. So that's how you can do. You can also invite people by WhatsApp. So you want to add the WhatsApp number and then click on invite, and then Partyra will send that invite to that connection on WhatsApp. So it is as straightforward as that. So you can do other things still with your private events. If you want to edit it, you can always edit it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. If you want to look at your analytics in terms of you want to see like more detailed information, for example, you want to look at how many people have bought the tickets. You want to look at how many people have signed up their emails. You even want to look at more detailed metrics, about your private events. You can always see this. So you can see this. So you have you have the most important metrics. You also have advanced information like gender. You have like the ticket types of ticket purchase, age, conversion rates, attendance rates, average ticket per user, engagement metrics. So these are powerful metrics that will reveal so much information about how your private event or event generally is performing. So let's go to other information. Like I said, you can look at how many people have bought your event, and then if you want to see what people are saying about your events, you would also find them here. So basically, that is how to create a private event on Partyra. It's straightforward, it's simple, and you can start creating events only for people you want them to attend your event. This is not a public event, this is private, and for those you want to invite exclusively. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, if you have feedback, inquiries, please send a mail to support@partyra.com. We're also available on our social channels. You can reach us on Instagram. You can also reach us on Twitter. We are just a DM away, and we will respond to you immediately. Thank you.